dear listeners, I am Dr. Rashmi Gupta from Atal Bihari Vajpayee University, Bilaspur. In this video, I am going to introduce basic concepts of data science. Data science is a combination of two words, data and science. So, data science is a science of extracting meaningful information, patterns and trends from data. Data science is a very new and broad field which is commonly misinterpreted as data mining. But both fields are different. Data science is a superset of data mining. Data science is not only analyzing the data, but it also includes data collection, data pre-processing, building the model and automation of the model. Data science is not a single discipline, but it is considered as multidisciplinary. Data science is multidisciplinary approach because it is combination of expert knowledge, mathematics, statistics and artificial intelligence. Domain experts like doctors, scientists, business analytics, agriculture scientists provide raw data and specifies outcome that need to be achieved by data analysis. Domain experts are the biggest strength of data science because they decide which questions are to be answered. Statisticians are responsible for designing processes for data collection, identifying trends and relationships. Mathematicians and AI experts develop high-level data analysis algorithms, optimization techniques, evaluation metrics. So, it can be easily said that data science is multidisciplinary. Data science encompasses data collection, preparation of data for analysis, advanced data analysis techniques, and drawing the result to reveal the hidden patterns of data. The process of data science starts with specifying the objectives of the research by domain experts. Then data is collected from authenticated sources. After data collection, data is pre-processed and then AI algorithms are applied on the data to extract meaningful insights. Coming to the application areas of data science, there are many application areas like business analytics, business logistics, finance, healthcare, natural science, bioinformatics, social media analysis, smart homes or smart cities, smart agriculture, weather monitoring, image recognition, speech recognition, augmented reality, fraud detection and many more. Now we will take an example of data science in agriculture. In the area of agriculture, crop related data like type of crop, nutrient status, crop population, disease data, weed data, pest data, etc. Soil related data like soil type, soil texture, soil moisture, soil nutrient, etc. Weather related data like rainfall, temperature, humidity are collected. After data collection, data pre-processing and data analysis is performed on the data. Based on the data analysis, automatic crop disease predictions based on specific weather conditions can be done and their management can be suggested. Similarly, time of specific weed growth and its management can be suggested. Based on nutrient requirement of the crop, the nutrients available in the soil, nutrient requirement of crop in future can be predicted automatically. Based on the moisture content of soil, smart irrigation can be done in which water pumps can be started and stopped automatically. These are not only use cases of data science in agriculture, even many other applications can be made that will convert normal agriculture to smart agriculture. Now, we will come to the point, what is data? Data is defined as facts and figures. Earlier, it was thought that data is only in the form of numbers. But in the latest era of data science, data can be text, images, video, audio and links. But it is also true that at the time of data modeling, every data is converted to numerical data. Nowadays, huge amount of data is being generated and this huge amount of data is termed as big data. According to the IBM, big data can be defined around 4 dimensions. These 4 dimensions are called 4 V's of big data. These 4 V's are volume, variety, velocity and veracity. Volume defines size of data. Variety defines different forms of data. Velocity defines streaming data, and veracity defines uncertainty of data. As the society is getting digital, a lot of digital data is being generated. We have some statistics about data growth. By 2025, there will be 175 zettabyte of data in global data sphere. Zettabyte is a huge amount of data, that is 1000 to the power 7. By 2025, the amount of data generated each day is expected to reach 463 exabyte globally. Even a large amount of data is being generated by social media sites. Google, Facebook, Microsoft and Amazon stores at least 1200 petabytes of information. Google handles a staggering of 1.2 trillion searches every year. Every 24 hours, 500 million tweets are published on Twitter. Snaps created on Snapchats reached over 210 million each day in 2020. So, this large amount of data on social media will be utilized to generate important knowledge like sentiment of people, social behavior of people, their lifestyle and many more. If there is a science, then there will be a scientist also. Therefore, data scientist is a person who is responsible for collecting, analyzing and interpreting data. Data scientists should have curious mind and willing to spend time for data science process. The data scientist requires to have knowledge of advanced analytic technologies including machine learning and predictive modeling. Now we will discuss the process of data science. The data science process includes understanding the objectives of analysis, data collection, data pre-processing, exploratory data analysis, data modeling and interpretation of results and automation. The process of data science starts with understanding the objectives of analysis. The data scientist should have answered of many questions for clear understanding the objectives and context of the work. These questions can be why the research is being carried out, what resources will be required, whether the objectives are really achievable, what will be the final outcome, and what will be the timeline of the work. Once the objectives have been defined, then data analysts will have clear direction of the work to be done. The second step of data science is collecting data for the purpose of analysis. The data can be collected from variety of sources, like data can be collected from own organization repository, from publicly available repositories, by web scraping, by purchasing from another organization and by conducting surveys. If data is collected from publicly available repositories, then data scientists should cite the source of data in final outcome. And if data is purchased from another organization, then purchase process should be legal and not conflicting the privacy of people. Data scientists should ensure the availability of data in good amount to apply AI models. The third step of data science is pre-processing of data. Data pre-processing steps includes data cleaning and data transformation. Data cleaning is a process to prepare data for analysis by modifying or removing the data which is incorrect, incomplete, irrelevant or duplicate. The data cleaning methods depend upon type of data being used for analysis. The next step of data pre-processing is data transformation. Data transformation includes data aggregation, data augmentation in case of small data set, transforming data in uniform formats, derived feature construction and extra feature reduction. Fourth step of data science is exploratory data analysis or EDA. EDA uncovers the pattern and relationship among variables, highlight characteristic of single variable and spot anomalies with help of statistic summary and visualization. Categorical or continuous variable identification, unvariate analysis, bivariate analysis and multivariate analysis are generally performed under EDA. Fifth step of data science is data modeling. This step is generally considered as a core step of data science process. During data modeling, Data is divided into training set and testing set. Techniques like association, classification, and clustering are applied to training set. Once the model is built, it is evaluated on training data to check the performance of the model. Many classification algorithms, deep learning algorithms, clustering algorithms can be applied for modeling the data. Among various models, best model can be selected which perform better in terms of higher accuracy, less error, less training time, less requirement of resources, and scalability of the model. The last step of data science is interpreting the result and automation. Interpreting the results refers to the representation of results in such a way that is able to answer the business questions which were asked when the project was started. Along with the representation of results, building an application to automate data analysis is also important. Application can be mobile-based application or mobile-based applications. In this video lecture, we have learned about data science, application of data science, need of data science, data scientist, and process of data science. I hope now you have understanding of basic concepts of data science. Thank you.